Folks, what we're going to do is work with effects. So we go into there and you've got effects. So you've got a basic effect. So if I click on that one, you've got a blur effect. So you could use this to blot somebody out in the video. So you can see down there that you've got just the effect working for a certain amount of time. You can go on there and you can, if I click on that, you can move it or tap it. So you can do that and set animation to it. I don't know what animations you want to do. So you can adjust the strength. You can have the shape, overall animation. If I go in there to shapes, you can have it as a, if I know what I'll do, I'll go back. The strength, and then if I do a shape, you can see the shape there. When you have it on, when there's not much of a blur, can't see the shape so much. So you've also got this one here as well. So go into that. I've selected that. You've got the mosaic effect. So you can do this as well. So that's like the mosaic effect is like the overlay on the original effect I put on there. I won't try and pronounce it because I'm not very good for pronunciation. So if we go back to there, and go back and I'll increase the effect and mosaic, and go into there, basic effect, mosaic. And then settings, and then I'll increase the intensity of that. So you could use this to mask number plates out and stuff like that. You can move the effect around as well. Let's see. So I hope you like this video and found value in it. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.